The moment a pure leather handbag enters a room, it speaks, quietly, confidently, and without asking for attention. There is something unmistakable about the way real leather looks, feels, and ages. It doesn't shout trends or beg for approval. Instead, it whispers elegance, permanence, and beauty that grows richer with time. Pure leather handbags have long been symbols of refined taste and timeless fashion. Their beauty goes far beyond appearance. It lives in the texture, the scent, the craftsmanship, and the story each bag carries. Unlike synthetic materials that fade, peel, or lose their charm, genuine leather evolves. It softens with use, deepens in color, and develops a unique character that reflects the life of its owner. Every crease and mark becomes part of its identity, making no two leather handbags ever truly the same. One of the most captivating aspects of pure leather handbags is their natural elegance. Leather has an organic richness that artificial materials cannot replicate. Its grain, whether smooth, pebbled, or slightly textured, adds depth and dimension to a handbag's design. When light touches real leather, it creates a soft glow rather than a harsh shine, giving the bag a luxurious yet understated presence. This natural beauty makes leather handbags suitable for every setting, professional, casual, or formal, without ever feeling out of place. Craftsmanship plays a major role in the beauty of pure leather handbags. Skilled artisans carefully select high-quality hides, cut them with precision, and stitch them by hand or with expert machinery. Every seam, edge, and handle is thoughtfully constructed to balance strength and style. The result is a handbag that feels solid, dependable, and beautifully made. This attention to detail is visible the moment you hold a leather bag. It doesn't feel hollow or flimsy. It feels intentional, as if it was made to last for years, not seasons. Another element that defines the beauty of pure leather handbags is their versatility. A single leather handbag can effortlessly complement multiple outfits and moods. A structured leather tote adds authority and sophistication to workwear. A soft leather shoulder bag enhances casual outfits with relaxed elegance. A sleek leather clutch elevates evening attire with effortless glamour. Leather adapts to style rather than competing with it, making it one of the most flexible fashion materials available. Color also enhances the beauty of leather handbags in a unique way. Leather absorbs dye deeply, creating rich, saturated tones that feel alive rather than flat. Classic colors like black, brown, tan, and beige exude timeless appeal, while deeper shades such as burgundy, forest green, or navy add personality without sacrificing sophistication. Over time, these colors mature, gaining warmth and depth that only genuine leather can achieve. This aging process, often called patina, is one of leather's most treasured qualities. Beyond aesthetics, the beauty of pure leather handbags lies in how they make people feel. Carrying a genuine leather bag often brings a sense of confidence and self-assurance. It signals care in personal presentation and an appreciation for quality. Leather handbags are not about fast fashion or fleeting trends. They represent intentional choices. When someone chooses a pure leather handbag, they are choosing durability, authenticity, and refined taste. Leather handbags also tell stories. A bag carried daily to work, travel, or special moments becomes a silent companion through life's routines and milestones. Over time, it absorbs memories, places visited, goals achieved, and moments lived. Scratches and creases are not flaws, they are proof of experience. This emotional connection adds another layer of beauty, turning a leather handbag into something personal and meaningful. Sustainability further enhances the appeal of pure leather handbags when produced responsibly. High-quality leather bags are made to last, reducing the need for constant replacement. Instead of buying multiple low-quality bags that wear out quickly, investing in one well-made leather handbag supports a slower, more thoughtful approach to fashion. Longevity becomes part of beauty, knowing that an item can serve for years while maintaining its elegance. The tactile experience of pure leather is also worth celebrating. The softness under the fingers, the subtle grain, and the natural scent create a sensory experience that synthetic materials cannot match. Every time the bag is opened, carried, or set down, it reminds the owner of its authenticity. This physical connection enhances appreciation and deepens the relationship between the handbag and its wearer. Fashion trends may come and go, but pure leather handbags remain constant. Designers continue to reinvent shapes and styles, yet leather itself never loses relevance. Whether minimalist or bold, classic or modern, leather provides a foundation that always feels appropriate. It bridges generations, worn by young fashion lovers and seasoned style icons alike. This enduring presence is proof of leather's unmatched beauty. In a world filled with mass production and disposable fashion, pure leather handbags stand apart. They represent patience, craftsmanship, and respect for materials. Their beauty is not loud or temporary, it is quiet, confident, and lasting. A pure leather handbag doesn't need to follow trends to remain desirable. It simply exists, and that is enough. Ultimately, the beauty of pure leather handbags lies in their ability to blend form, function, and feeling into one timeless accessory. They enhance outfits, elevate confidence, and grow more beautiful with time. From their natural texture to their lasting strength, from their elegance to their emotional value, pure leather handbags remain one of the most beautiful expressions of style and substance in fashion.